Assalamu alaikum guys. Assalamu alaikum guys. My name is Mushfiqur Rahman and we are back with another video. So alright guys, today we are going to break glass with potato cannon. So you guys can see. So alright guys, you can see the whole setup. We have 4 glasses. So alright guys, we are going to use this perfume can as a cannonball. Last time we used this perfume can. So now we are going to break these glasses. This as a cannonball. Now we are going to break this glass with this perfume can. First we are going to break this glass. Then we are going to break this 3 glasses together. So I don't know this potato can break this glass or not. So let's find out. By the way guys, in this video we are going to use this glass. So this video can be dangerous. So before we start our video, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. So guys, please like this video.
एक तो बेसिक ट्रिक है, एक तो लाइक और शेयर ठोक दीजिए महाकाल का दबा के लाइक और शेयर ठोक दीजिए.
So let's get started.
This video is truly for entertainment purposes. Please don't try this at home.
Alright guys, let's do it. Faisal, do it. Sihan,
Yes,
are you excited?
yes, I am very excited.
Then spell excited. So alright guys, let's do it. Faisal, do it. You guys can see one crack. We made a one crack here. So what? Why it doesn't break? Faisal!
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine.
Alright guys, let's try again. See guys, the second fire scattered the whole glass. As you guys can see, all around the glass and glass. So guys, let's try again. Guys, now we are going to try 2 glasses together. So let's see it will work or not.
Let's try again. Let's see the multiple count.
So alright guys, as you guys can see, the glass is scattered all around. As you guys can see, all piece of glass. So yeah, this is the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Actually we have a lot of fun in this video. And are you guys enjoyed this video?
Yes, I really enjoyed this video.
So I hope you guys have fun in this video. If you guys have fun, please like this video and subscribe to our channel and share this video. So this is lot of experiment. My name is Mushfiqur Rahman and I will catch you in the next video. So tata, bye bye.